What's good, y'all? As you can see, I'm literally doing this in my bathroom. So this video is gonna be like 8 minutes max. So look, I'm gonna try to get this done over with quick because this is like my second time doing it because somebody interrupted me while I was recording, so it automatically stops the recording. But anyway, that's besides the point. Uh, Last video was about just random spiritual information that I think the community should know. Not just the black community, but the community. And heads up, there will also be some exclusive knowledge just for black people on this channel right here. That if that offends you in any type of way, that's really not my problem. I'm not being racist. I'm just being pro-black. I'm just I'm all for my race. I am not racist, but I am all for my race. There's a difference. Now listen to me. Last video, look. Look. Last video we was talking about just random spiritual information that I think y'all should know. Anybody runs across anybody, okay? Listen to me. In the description I put, see look, I do my lectures on different sheets of paper, okay? I do my lectures on different sheets of paper. And yeah, they're on separate sheets of paper. Last video I tried to break down 4 sheets, which wasn't good because the video ended up being like 27, 26 minutes. Next video is probably going to end up being 30 minutes. I'm not going to lie. Which brings me to the point of next video is going to be about the chakras. Now, not all of them. There are 7. Keep in mind. There are 7 chakras, okay? Chakra, C-H-A-K-R-A. Chakra. Chakra. That's how you say it. Now what these chakras are, you ask? Chakras are basically the components of how you live your life. Let's say you are a person that gets mad easily. Okay, somebody just pissed you off. See, I'm in high school, okay? I walk in the bus. Somebody put their leg in the aisle. They trip me. I'm going to look at them. And I'm going to give them that look like, okay, you got to pass on that. I'm a very positive person. So the first thought that comes up in my mind at least, is a positive thought. Like, hey, you don't need to be exerting anything negative. It's not worth your energy. That's how precious I think my energy is. Same shit, y'all. Y'all should think y'all energy is so precious that nobody should have it. Nobody should deserve it. Unless you think somebody deserves it. You feel me? And if you think somebody deserves your energy, let he or she be the one that you share that energy with. You dig? Like that's what it's about. But anyways, somebody trip you over. You walking through the aisle on the bus. Me, I'm thinking, I'm gonna just look at them like I'm not gonna do nothing. Now you might call me a pussy or whatever you think I am. I know I'm not a pussy. I know I did some shit I ain't told nobody. I know the people that really know me the people that know me know not to play, bro. Now, if you are somebody just stumbling upon this video, you might think, oh, this nerd dude, man, this dude is another techer, man. He nerdy. Bro, whatever. Like I said, the people that know me know not to play. All right? So look, back to point. I'm getting off track. The chakras are basically how you live. Let's say if one of your chakras were to be closed, you would think on a negative perspective on that person tripping you walking through that bus aisle. You would have probably went over there and socked them, got suspended. Next thing you know, you're suspended for 4 or 5 days. Yeah, you out for a school week for socking somebody. You and him. They don't care. You out of here. Goodbye, gone. Suspended off the bus. Homework piling up on you. Now you stressing even more if you aren't already stressed. So you have to think about these things, man. It's not just about whether somebody thinks you're a pussy or whether who cares what anybody thinks, bro? Who cares? That's the thing y'all gotta get to y'all head. You shouldn't let somebody else's opinion rule your life. Don't do it. Otherwise, you'll be out here doing crazy shit. Crazy things. You'll be out here doing crazy things if you let other people's opinion rule your life. Don't do it. Because like I said, the people that know me know not to play. Okay? So let me get back to the point. There are 7 chakras. The chakras go from the root chakra, the sacral chakra, the heart chakra, the throat chakra, the third eye chakra, and the crown chakra. These chakras consist of the colors red, orange, yellow. No. Excuse me. I missed the solar plexus. The solar plexus is yellow. As you can see, I have a whole hoodie about this. You know, I'm very spiritual. I dig it. Okay, so look. Restart. Let me get my facts straight. You have the root chakra. You have the sacral chakra. You have the solar plexus chakra. You have the heart chakra. You have the throat chakra. You have the third eye chakra. And you have the crown chakra. Now, mind you, these chakra colors consist of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, light blue, dark blue, and then violet. Okay? Now, next video is going to be about the root chakra, the first chakra. Now, like I said, chakras are the components on how you live. I think all my chakras are open. They're just not balanced. You have to open them before you balance them. If my chakras are balanced, I would be somewhere out of this body in some other galaxy. 90% of people, especially my age, their chakras is not even open yet. That's why I'm here to tell you. Okay? So look. Yeah, this video gonna be past 8 minutes. It's gonna be about 9 minutes, 10 minutes maybe. But look. Okay. As you can see, I have a whole hoodie regarding chakras. Okay. You gotta take this stuff serious. Root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and the crown chakra. Okay. Next video will be regarding root chakra, the first one. The color is red. Now these are very deep. Stay tuned for the next episode because, like I said, these are very deep. You might be looking at this episode. The lighting is horrible. You might be looking at me watching this episode thinking, bro, what is he talking about now? I'm telling you, bro. These chakras and knowing the information I'm telling you will literally change how you think about everything. I mean, come on, man. The things that get you mad will probably not even get you mad anymore. They will become trivial to you, man. Trivial. Come on, man. The purpose of this channel is to change how people think. Okay, I'm surrounded by people that toxic folks, okay? Don't know nothing but get at folks and try to be cool and try to put on half of these folks is putting on acting like something they not. For somebody that's not even worth it. Now what you look like, my nigga? You look stupid. You look stupid, my guy. Trying to put on for somebody that's not even worth it. And then you acting like somebody you not. What is you doing, Mike? What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? Change the way you think, man. The way y'all think is all off, bro. This generation is weird. I feel like let me end this video. I'm finna drag it. Hey, but hit the bell, bro, if you haven't already. This chakra thing is about to change your life. I promise you. If it don't change somebody's life, if it don't change, I guarantee you it will change 5 people's lives that watch this video. I guarantee it. If you really pay attention and understand what I am talking about and the words that are coming out of my mouth and take them in the mind and process them and don't let it just go one ear, go one through one ear and out the other, and you actually process it through your brain and try it, I guarantee you, it would change more than 5 people's lives. Okay? Hit the bell, bro. This is for y'all. This ain't for the likes or the views. Okay? I want people that are looking for answers to stumble upon these type videos. Okay? Okay, I love all the support. I know that sounds cringy because every other YouTuber says it. But if you know me, I'm a very humble person. And if I say I love something, I'm really mean it. So I love all the support, man. We trying to get this channel out there to people that are looking for answers. So stay tuned for the next one. I'll catch y'all later, bro.